Hello students, welcome to the course Software Design and Modeling presented by Department of Information Technology, Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. In this video, you will learn topic 1.4 Unified Approach from Unit 1 Object-Oriented Methodologies and UML. This is the outline of the topic. Unified Approach, Object-Oriented Analysis, Object-Oriented Design, Iterative Development and Continuous Assessment, Modeling based on UML, and Layered Approach. The unified approach to the software development revolves around the following process and concepts. These are the use case driven development, object oriented analysis, object oriented design, incremental development and prototyping, and continuous testing. So this is the diagram of the process and components of the unified approach, which consists of object oriented analysis. So what happens in the object oriented analysis, then object oriented design, the different processes in the object oriented design, then in the construction, then this shows the repository of use cases and all these things, the past experiences, all these things. It uses layered approach, it uses the UML based modeling. So all this together is nothing but the unified approach. So stated in the text form, the object oriented analysis, the OOA process consists of the following steps: identify the actors, develop a simple business model using UML activity diagram, develop the use case, develop interaction diagrams, identify the classes. So you have to iterate between these particular steps as long as or unless that particular analysis is not over. Then next step is object oriented. Next phase is object oriented design. The object oriented design process consists of designing classes, their attributes, methods, association, structures, and protocols, apply design axioms, design the access layer, design the prototype user interface, user satisfaction and usability test on use cases, and iterate and refine the particular design unless you are satisfied with it. Then this particular process is iterative development and continuous testing. You must iterate and reiterate until you are satisfied with the system. Testing often uncovers design weaknesses or at least provides additional information you will want to use. Repeat the entire process, taking what you have learned and working your design or moving on to re-prototyping and retesting. Continue this refining cycle through development until you are satisfied with the results. During this iterative process, your prototype will incrementally transform into the actual application. Then in the modeling based on the UML. UML merges the best of the notations used by three most popular analysis and design methodologies. They are by Rumbach, Buch, and Jacobson. The UML is becoming the universal language for modeling systems. It is used to express the models of different kinds and purposes. UML has become standard notation for object-oriented modeling system. It is an evolving notation that is still under development. So the unified approach uses this particular UML, that is Unified Modeling Language. This diagram shows the layered approach to software development. There are three different layers: access layer, business layer, and view layer. The view layer in the uh, view layer is usually defined in done in object oriented analysis phase, the business layer and view layer. Okay. Whereas in object oriented design, usually the view layer and the access layers, they are developed. The prototyping of that is done. The view layer is concerned with the user interface. Business layer consists of the objects which specify the rules of the rules of that particular system as to how to make use of the information and how to process that particular data which is there at the access layer. So business layer, the objects in the business layer, they are volatile objects, whereas the information at the access layer, it is the permanent, usually it is persistent information, and it is maintained by using the databases. So in this topic we have seen the unified approach, which consists of these particular components. Thank you.